How to sign in to Hubstaff as an employee. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can sign in into Hubstaff as an employee. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So the first step here is just open up a web browser. After you open up a web browser, what you'll then need to do is simply search for Hubstaff. After searching for it, you will see the Hubstaff website. You can open that up. You can directly head over to hubstaff.com as well. Now on the top right corner, you'll find the sign in option. Tap on it. And here, all you need to do is type in your work email and then your password. Tap on sign in and you're good to go. That is basically how you log in. Now, if you want to log in using your SSO, tap on login with SSO, type in your work email and then type in login. And yeah, that's basically it. Thanks for watching, guys. That is how you log in to Hubstaff using your employee account. Stay tuned for more and bye-bye.